Hello, everyone, and welcome. I want to introduce you to our contractor program where we're going to focus on how to lower your cost per approved homeowner, as well as how do we approve more versus the big bank programs, and an easy application process. We are KFG. Our strengths are designing and tailoring the best set of financing options for your company. We've got 10 years market experience that enables us to understand how we can beat the big bank programs and lower these costs for you. Satisfy a much broader credit spectrum, help the everyday American. This is going to mean increased revenue for your company. How do we do that? Through diversified options. A higher funding percentage is going to eliminate high dealer fees. Why KFG? Let's compare. I'm going to use an example of a $10,000 invoice. Typical big bank dealer fees are roughly 8.5%. That's $850 in this example. We're a fixed fee model. Ours is $395. In this particular invoice amount, the savings is $455 per client. For every approved and funded client from $5,000 to $25,000, our fee is fixed at $395. Those that are over $25,000 to $50,000 are only $695. Expanding your market. Let's compare. Big bank programs require a 685 FICO score or better. Some, or actually many, want a 700 or FICO score or better. We process as low as a 620 FICO score for approval. That is 27% more of the population. That is simply how we can approve more, and that's more cash in your pocket. There's more. There are additional benefits. Rates from 3.95 to 9.95%. Again, programs are available up to $50,000. Now, 10 to 20 year term options that are available for those that are selling payment. 86% of the public is a payment buyer. There's also deductible interest available. We have secured and unsecured flexibility, no prepayment penalties, no appraisal required, and a fixed rate for the entire loan. Now, why is this important? There is no default APR or escalation in rate to the purchase date. We're proud that we can be one place for all your needs, especially if you're in the commercial space as well. We offer better processing, online application, as well as online acceptance for those loans as well. These are instant decisions up to $350,000. There's 24-hour funding available. This is simply a better equipment financing solution for you. Flexible terms from 2 to 7 years. And again, this is entirely tax deductible as well. Rates are low, from as low as 4.99%. I want to thank you again for taking the time. And please click on the free analysis to schedule an appointment and answer a few simple questions for us. And that's on the right of this preview screen. Thanks again.